Owner of Baba Roots gunned down at his Westmoreland home during a robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. William Webb, the owner of the herbal drink brand Baba Roots, was reportedly gunned down at his home in Darliston, Westmoreland on Sunday morning. Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP Adrian Hamilton, in charge of operations in the Westmoreland Police Division, confirmed the incident to reporters on Sunday morning. According to police reports, 4 gunmen invaded Webb's room through a window at around 3:45 a.m. and shot him after a brief conversation. Law enforcement officers stated that the gunmen then ransacked his room. Webb was taken to the Salvamore Public General Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. More detail will follow in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.